Hey guys, Steve here. Today I just wanted to go over a new a new brilliant tool that just dropped today, and it's called PPC Shortcuts. If you don't know what PPC Shortcuts is, it's pay per click shortcuts basically. And pay per click is paid traffic, a paid traffic method that uses Google AdWords, Bing ads, Yahoo ads, and the like, right? But this new platform, which is really dirt cheap right now, and I suggest you jump on, allows you to create, well, it already has 15 done for you campaigns that are already pre-qualified, pre-approved, compliant to Google AdWords that you can download in a CVS file and upload into your Google Ads account. And all you have to do is change the URL and you can put them right into action and start generating monies today. Most things these days, I'll just show you. Here's this video. The link will be in the description box below. But these days, most people shy away from paid traffic, and it's because most paid traffic methods are complicated and time consuming and expensive, right? But what if there's a massive shortcut to success that would allow you to quickly get your paid traffic campaigns up and running, getting your leads, making you money with all time consuming and hard work already done for you? Well, that's what this program is. And what if you could get your first campaign live for as little as $5 to $10? Well, that's what this platform does. PPC Shortcuts is a collection of 15 done for you paid traffic campaigns that are proven to get results and ready for you to upload to your Google account or Bing ad account, right? This is really an ultimate PPC shortcut because they selected the top performing ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus products for you already. So it's not just that though. They created all the ads and completed the AdWord research and created properly, they structured it, the campaigns, and you can do all of this in just a few clicks. Also, it's very newbie friendly and it has step-by-step training included. So, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. And I'll do a more in-depth review later, and show you the back office. But you can do this. Anybody can, and for as little as $5, you can't beat it. Don't shy away from Google Ads because you think it's too complicated and whatnot. But anyway, let's just finish scrolling through some of this page here. We're able to get results like these for ourselves and our clients. So if it's working for them, and this is David and Wayne Crow here, that they're very successful. They know what they're doing, and now they gave us a power pack platform that we can repeat their success. Come on, guys. You know that it's all about duplication and replication. And if we want to be successful, we copy the methods and processes of the successful, right? So that's all we do. And this is so reasonably priced at $13. How can you not? $13 investment for this platform, a $5, for as little as $5 a day to run some Google ads, and free ClickBank offers. You can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. So I highly recommend it. Here's a video with a testimonial about how somebody had success using the PPC shortcut mega campaigns. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you can check out this video. And here's just a little bit of more, it's unfortunate most people get started with paid traffic aren't able to get the kind of return on their investment that we're getting. Why? Because we don't know the shortcuts. We get frustrated, trying to set it all up, but not anymore. We can have a clear advantage as affiliate marketers by taking advantage of what Wayne, Crow, and David are offering us, this shortcut to get into the business, right? It can be a little time consuming and tedious if we try to do it on our own. So why not just invest in ourselves, and accept what they've given us. They did all the work already. The keyword searches, that writing the ad copy, building out the campaigns already. They already tested them. They already tweaked them. And all we do is push the button, upload them, and get them rocking, right? So we can start generating revenue like the big boys, like the big players. And as a newbie, this is very, very, very. It builds a lot of our self confidence. Once we're able to start generating money, we can go on into we can scale up and start doing bigger and better things. Most people get stuck somewhere along the first way or just don't know what to do. Well, that's what PPC Shortcut is. It gets you around those obstacles because it does it for you. It does it for you, which is very, very impressive. So right now, paid traffic is where it's at. And that's what all the successful gurus, that's what they do. So why waste time trying to do free traffic methods on Facebook, posting posts everywhere where you're going to get a lead every 2 days when you can do what the gurus do? And that's their secret, right? It's not as expensive to get started as most people think. This program offers the method for getting started for as little as $5. So just think about that. $5 ads and a $13 purchase to have it all done for you. It's unbeatable. It's super scalable, and you can use it to get leads and make sales in any niche, right? So once you start making money, you can add new campaigns and grow your profits as big as you want. It is easy to scale because you can see what's working, right? So you can learn from two of the best marketers out there, and you see how much they're pulling in, all because they run paid ads. And there's a lot more here to show you, but it's all about PPC shortcuts. I highly recommend it. And why? Here's why. Here are a few reasons why. PPC Shortcut is a complete money-making system that gives you everything you need to make affiliate commissions. You don't need to bring any experience to the table. This is why it's newbie friendly, right? You get access to step-by-step training that shows you how to get huge results with paid traffic. You don't need a big ad budget when you do things the way we show you, and get started for as little as $5. Wow. That's, that takes the fear away. People think you got to have this big budget to advertise on Google AdWords, but not so. You just have to have a plan. You have to have approved ads, and that's what this tool offers you. It offers you these done for you campaigns that are already working. All you do is plug and play, right? In addition to the training, you get 15 done for you PPC campaigns, like I said, that are proven already to get leads. So with PPC Shortcut, it's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. 1, you follow the steps, right? The setup. 2, you kick off your campaign for as little as $5. And 3, guess what? You sit back, you get leads, and you make money. You can scale this up as big as you want. So imagine instead of you just putting in 5, you put in 10. You know what I mean? So you can make your money. And this is what the gurus are doing, and they're not really telling us. They got us fixated on posting on Facebook and social media, the free method all day, when they've already accelerated their bankroll because they've invested in pay per click advertising. Now they got time to focus on Facebook and hone that skill. But they're generating unlimited commissions by doing it this way. And this puts the power in our hands. So PPC Shortcut is a step-by-step training. So they'll show you exactly how you can get it off. Everything started fast. They'll show you exactly how you can get started for $5. There's no technical skills or paid traffic experience needed, and you can learn from 2 top experts who have spent over $2 million running ads. And of course, if they spent $2 million running ads, they generated 6 times more than that, right? And now they're giving it to us, right? So here's, again, they're just saying that you can get 15 pre-done campaigns, or also you can get a little bit more, which I'll show you some of the front-end upgrades and everything like that. So it's very life-changing once you can start making money online. And as a newbie, this is very confidence building, and I highly, highly recommend it, because I'm going to start, running ads today. So here's some of the bonuses that you're gonna get. And like I said, the price is limited right now. It may go up. I'm thinking it will, especially after everybody, gets it right. And they see how fire it is. But here's some bonuses. You get live training to make sure you get your first campaign set up in record time. You get bonus number 2 is you get private Facebook training, and you get access to a private group with over 40,000 members, which is awesome because I'm in this group and it's awesome. And I'll leave a direct link for that in the description box below. And bonus number 3, you get 2020 traffic sources guide. Now you receive all of these bonuses on the thank you page of the Warrior Plus after you make your purchase. Like I said, it's only $13, and it comes with, as always, a 30-day money back guarantee. If it's not right for you, get a refund. So that's how that works. Now let's go over to some other just some other things here that we got. So the PPC Shortcut pricing and one-time offers. So during the launch only, you can pick up the PPC Shortcut for $13. Okay, this is only for the launch. So it's a limited time only, and so you need to jump on it. So it's $13 today, and you get the PPC Shortcut software and 15 mega campaigns. The first upgrade is $27 for done for you Bridge Sites. You need landing pages to send your PPC traffic to if you don't have your own, which I have my own, so I can skip that, right? But that's a $27 upsell. So the next upgrade is $37, and that's highly recommended. Why? Because you get 30 more mega campaigns, plus you get click domination, which is awesome, which is an awesome Google Ads training. So you combine this training and this front end so that's a total of 45 mega campaigns, and you get the training. I would stop there, because that's all you really need. But I recommend the front end and upgrade number 2, and that'll allow you to really get in there and do what you need to do. The third upgrade is, of course, the PPCkit, which they set up everything for you and you don't have to do anything. The fourth upgrade, if you want to learn more how to get your account set up for earning affiliate commissions using PPC ads, then you can consider this, especially if you're new to it. It consists of 4 live masterclasses after the launch to help you to help with your campaign. So that's just additional training. And then the last upgrade is $297. It's a new split testing software, plus 1 month of VIP smart split software, which, like I said, I think you can get away with this, and then you're off to a very good start. So, like I said, here are the bonuses that you will receive on the Warrior Plus thank you page. But let's run over some frequently asked questions real quick. And, on the next video, I'll show you a walk through the back office. So what is PPC? PPC is a shortcut to the ultimate shortcut to getting highly targeted paid traffic that gets you hot leads and puts money in your pocket without any prior skills or experience with PPC. Is this system really new? Yes, you have never seen anything like this ever before. What else do I have to buy to make money? Nothing. Everything you need to get leads and money is included inside PPC Shortcut. You don't need to buy anything else. What's included inside PPC Shortcut? We just went over that. You get access training to 15 done for you campaigns and a powerful bonuses that make it easy to get results right out the gate. Does it work for newbies? Absolutely. Yes, this will definitely work for newbies, and you don't need any prior paid traffic skills or experience. Do I need to buy any other software to make this work? Absolutely not. We recommend using Google Ads Editor software, which is 100% free, and we also show you how to use it inside the training. Is there a money back guarantee? Yes, you get a full 14 days to make sure this is for you. You can change your mind for any reason. You simply request a refund. And finally, the last question is, how do I get PPC Shortcut at the lowest price possible? Well, How do you get it at the lowest price possible? You click the link below now to lock in that discount. And that's what's important, because once this starts making money for everybody, they're gonna jack up the price because it's hot, right? But right now, in limited time only at the launch, you can get it for $13. So I highly suggest you click the link below and start making money using Google Ads. Like as always, like, share, subscribe, click the links below. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.